Are you buried under a tax debt that's more than you can pay? The Currently Not Collectible, or CNC status, might be the answer to getting out. The program is designed for taxpayers that have a gross monthly income lower than their allowable expenses under the national standards. While the CNC doesn't automatically fully forgive debt, it does halt collection. When you're in CNC status, the IRS expiration of statutes will continue to run on your owed taxes, which become fully not collectible if it exceeds 10 years. So, it is possible that you'll never have to pay what you owe. The CNC program only accepts a fraction of all taxpayers that apply. Tax Group Center will help you take action now and provide you with a straightforward step-by-step plan in line with current IRS programs. Tax Group Center's team of licensed tax professionals, CPAs, and lawyers are backed by 30 years of experience. Contact Tax Group Center and together we will find a solution.